Find or read reviews that people are talking about Oraimo Nugget Ice Maker 512A, Ice Makers Countertop. Acquire early reviews on products that have few or no reviews, helping shoppers make smarter buying decisions. Next, we are introduced some reasons why you should choose that. Nugget Ice, also known as Pebble Ice and Sonic Ice, is the ideal ice for chewing because it comes in small chunks that are crunchable and chewable. It is desirable to chew on. Sonic Ice chills drinks quickly and doesn't melt as quickly as crushed ice. For anyone who enjoys an icy beverage on a hot summer's day, Pebble Ice may be your new go-to cocktails and sodas companion. 37 pounds of Nugget Ice per day. You can pick up Nugget Ice anytime at home rather than driving to chain stores. Begin enjoying your first batch of ice in 10 minutes or less. Never run out of Nugget Ice thanks to the large daily output Oraimo Ice Maker 512A. Less placement, more output. Oraimo Mini Nugget Ice Maker measures just 12.8 inch depth, x 9.8 inch wide, x 14.9 inch height, and 26.7 pounds large daily output based on small placement. Small enough to fit on most countertop and easy to store when not in use. It takes up less space at home or in the office, RV, patio, outdoor parties, or basement bars. Automatic cleaning and easy drain. To keep the Pebble Ice tasting fresh, we recommend that you carry out self-cleaning at least once a week. You just need to press clean for 3 seconds to activate the self-cleaning function. Oraimo ice makers are equipped with a 14 feet long drain pipe, which allows for easy and convenient drainage, instead of lifting a heavy machine filled with water to drain through the bottom hole like many Nugget Ice machines from other brands. If you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching my video. Please press like button and share this video with your friends. Last, don't forget to press subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.